You've watered, you've fertilized, and you've waited all season for a massive harvest, only to find a handful of tiny, sad vegetables. The culprit is often the very thing you thought was helping, and that is a bad pruning job. Welcome to the Don't Do This guide, where we help you avoid the gardening mistakes that hold you back. If you want a lush garden with less effort, hit that subscribe button. The first major trap is pruning at the completely wrong time of year. It is heartbreaking to aggressively trim a fruit tree in the fall, only to realize you just chopped off next spring's flower buds. When you prune at the wrong time, you trick the plant into wasting energy, which destroys your future harvest. Instead, research your specific plant to find its perfect pruning window. Most fruit trees prefer late winter dormancy, while spring flowering shrubs need trimming right after their blooms fade. Timing it perfectly guarantees your plant focuses all its energy on producing abundant, delicious fruit. Our next big mistake is giving your plants the dreaded uniform haircut. Shearing the outside edges of a plant creates a dense wall of leaves that blocks sunlight from reaching the center. Without sunlight hitting the interior branches, fruit simply cannot develop, leaving you with a barren plant. The better approach is to make selective thinning cuts entirely inside the canopy. Remove a few strategic branches to open up the center like a bowl, letting the sunshine pour in. This beautiful open structure allows for incredible airflow and bathes every branch in the light needed to grow massive yields. Mistake number 3 is hacking away with dull, rusty, or dirty tools. A dull blade crushes the plant tissue instead of cutting it cleanly, which makes it incredibly difficult for the plant to heal. Dirty blades are even worse because they transfer devastating diseases from one plant directly into the open wounds of another. To avoid this, treat your pruning shears like surgical instruments. Take a few seconds to sharpen the blade and wipe it down with rubbing alcohol before you begin. A clean, sharp cut heals incredibly fast, keeping your plant vigorous, healthy, and ready to pump out huge crops. The fourth habit that ruins harvests is leaving long stubs or cutting entirely flush against the main trunk. Leaving a stub creates dead wood that invites rot and pests straight into the heart of your plant. Cutting flush removes the branch collar, which is the special swollen area at the base of the branch that contains the healing cells. The secret to perfect healing is cutting just outside that little wrinkled branch collar. When you make the cut in this exact sweet spot, the tree naturally seals the wound over in a perfect ring. This keeps the entire plant resilient and strong enough to support the heavy weight of a bumper crop. Mistake number 5 is being absolutely paralyzed by the fear of pruning. Many beginners are so afraid of hurting the plant that they refuse to cut anything off at all. When you let a plant grow wild, it wastes precious energy keeping weak, crossing, and useless branches alive. That wasted energy means you get hundreds of tiny, flavorless fruits instead of a basket of prize-winning beauties. Be brave and confidently remove the dead, damaged, and rubbing branches to instantly direct the plant's energy exactly where you want it. Pruning is actually an act of caring, and your plants will reward your courage with an absolute explosion of fresh produce. Our final major mistake is topping trees or aggressively chopping off the top main stem to control height. This panic move forces the plant to send up a chaotic mess of weak, spindly branches called water sprouts. These emergency branches rarely produce fruit, and are so weak they often snap off in the first major windstorm. Instead of topping, use reduction cuts to bring the height down naturally to a lower, healthy lateral branch. This maintains the gorgeous natural shape of the plant while keeping the fruit within easy reach for harvesting. Working with the plant's natural structure guarantees a strong canopy that can hold heavy, beautiful fruit all season long. Proper pruning is all about working with the plant's natural energy rather than fighting against it. There you have it, the key things to avoid when dealing with this topic. If this video saved your plants, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below on which mistake you've been making. See you in the next guide.